How to change your Facebook name. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. Whether you've got a new last name, want to fix a typo, or just feel like switching things up, I've got you covered. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get into it. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're in, tap the menu icon 3 horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Here, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Meta Account Center. This is where Facebook manages your account details. Tap Profiles and select your Facebook profile. Look for the Name option and tap on it. Now you'll see 3 fields: first name, middle name, and last name. Fill these up. Facebook will show a preview of how your name will look before saving. If everything looks good, tap Save Changes. Facebook might ask you to re-enter your password to confirm the change. Once you do that, your new name will be updated. Keep in mind, Facebook only allows name changes once every 60 days, so double-check your spelling before saving. Also, your name must follow Facebook's rules, meaning no symbols, unusual characters, or fake names. And that's it! Now you know how to change your name on Facebook in just a few easy steps. If this video helped, hit that like button, share, and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tricks. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.